All right, this is our front passenger side windshield wiper on our 2015 Mazda CX-5. This is an 18-inch Mazda blade. So we're gonna go ahead and grab this clip right here on this old blade. This is not a Mazda blade that's on here right now. We're gonna slide that one off. It's that hook style like that. So I'll put links in the description with part numbers and everything. So I'm going back to Mazda blades for my daughter because not only are they reasonably priced at the Mazda dealership, but also this is a blade cover. You're going to want to take that off before you put those on. You can just replace the rubber strip when they go bad, and it saves a lot of money. So this comes with this metal clip that says open. We want to open it like that. We want to slide that hook over this, and once we get it in place, we're going to snap that down. So we want to do it just like this, where we kind of angle the wiper. So see how I have my blade, and I'm going to slide it down in there. I'm going to snap this in. It's locked in. We're done. So that's how you change your wiper blades on your Mazda.